Welcome everyone. Out in the old saw shack tonight with the old 500i. We're going to, welcome to all the new subscribers. And thanks everybody that comes here and helps out and supports. Yeah, I love it. Hope you're all having a great day. And we got a stripped out bolt on the bolt hole on the 500i on the exhaust. It's something that I've talked about, along those lines in the past about a steel bolt in aluminum or magnesium or whatever. This always wins over tightening. It's my fault. It's, but it happens, right? So anyway, that's what we're working on. We're going to fix it. I got a kit. I got this kit. This is the kit that I got. Bill of tools. And for this project, I got the M5, the one with the check mark, the M5.8 is what size bolt works with that. And it comes with the setting tool. This sets it, this threads it in there. Comes with a tap. Comes with a little punch that breaks off the tang, breaks the tang off of that thing once it's in there. And it comes with the drill bit. So it's all in one kit. I just ordered it off Amazon. It came with all that, and it came with 25 inserts. So the helicoils. So for like $10. Pretty cheap. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna see what it does. And I'll bring you in super close and we'll drill it out, tap it. And some people take the muffler completely off. I'm leaving the muffler on there to for drilling it and for tapping it. For drilling it mainly because the holes it's all lined up where it needs to be. It's the only bolt that I've taken out of it. So I have a better shot of staying straight because I don't have a level on my drill. Okay? So let's do this. Okay. We got our depth marked with this piece of tape on there because I don't have one of those fancy collars. Okay. Okay, that's it. That is that. I wonder if this will work. Alright, now we got it drilled out. Now we're going to tap it. Tapping fluid, right? The good stuff. We're just going to spray some on there, right? Cool tap. forgot to mark it. So let's do that. This is how far I want it to go in. So we got to go a little bit beyond that. Right? Yeah, to where the threads go. So we want to be in there. Yeah, not much left. Oh yeah. If you use some kind of lubrication, it usually helps a lot of it stick to the flutes of your tap. Grease works good too. That goes there, and we'll spray it out with some brake cleaner and see what it does. Okay, being how we got the depth on there, let's thread it in there. Let's go with that. Yeah? And we'll take this little thing right here. And this breaks the tang off that. This little punch here. So they say. There. And we'll take this bolt, the one that came out of it, and we'll thread it in there and see if we got it right. Just like that. And I can already feel that you can go tighter with that than you can with it stock. Just like that, folks. Just like that. It's a pretty good setup. Just make sure that you, my recommendation is just make sure that you set the depth on it and figure out the depth with your drill bit as well. So you don't go drilling in, you know, in through the cases and try to do the best you can to keep it straight and level and flat and plumb and all that good stuff, whatever. But that's a pretty good pretty good kit right there, I think, for $10. Well, I know it is. Pretty nice kit. I like it. It works. This is what all it comes with. And it comes in this little, it's kind of it's like a tin box. It's not, I don't think it's plastic. No, it's tin. Anyway, that's what it comes with. Let me get that out of the way. Right? M5 0.8. That's all the thread stuff. And it's metric. Yep. Tap. Drill bit. Works pretty nice. Feels good. It's in there. It ain't coming out. But once you start it in there, it won't back out. With the tool, When you start it in there, it won't come out. Thanks for joining me on this one. Just kind of a quick saw shack video. Working on the old 500i. By the way, it's running pretty darn good. Yeah. All right, everybody. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Don't forget the old Tom Joyner double bit. Head over to the website. Get the information on it. Get the information and see how you could possibly be the owner of this. It's a dandy. Dandy double bit. Tom Joyner. Custom handle. Custom hang. It's ready to rock. It's a splitter. All right. See you on the next one. Stay tuned.